Hello students, today we will be solving the IB Math A AGL May 2025 paper 2 time zone 3 question number 5. You will be getting the solutions for the first 4 questions from this paper and solutions to the other questions from the other past papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math A HL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve question number 5. The maximum mark is 7. Consider the function f of x equal to 2x plus a whole cubed divided by x plus 5 whole squared, where x is not equal to negative 5, x equal to negative 5 is the vertical asymptote, and a is a positive real number. Part A's question is find an expression for f prime of x, that is the first derivative of f of x with respect to x, in terms of a. So, I'll be using the quotient rule. So, this will be equal to x plus 5 raised to the power of 4, x plus 5 whole square raised to the power of 2 is 2 times 2 is 4. And now this is u and this is v, so it is u prime v. U prime is, you have to use the chain rule for students who cannot do the differentiation of u in one step. You have to use the chain rule. You use the chain rule. I'm doing the differentiation in one step directly. Okay. So the power 3 comes down and it becomes 2x plus a. The power gets reduced by 1. So it is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then it is the derivative of 2x plus a, which will be giving us 2. Okay. And then there will be the times by v, which is x plus 5 whole square minus, it will be u v prime, so it is 2x plus a whole cube, and again the power comes down, so 2 and x plus 5 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1, and the derivative of x plus 1 is 5 is simply 1. Okay, so this is equal to, now I can see that 2 is present in both the terms, and 2x plus a whole square can be taken as the common factor and x plus 5 can be taken as the common factor. So, 2 and x plus 5 and 2x plus a whole square is taken out as the common factor, and now from the first term what is remaining, 3 is remaining, and times x plus 5. And from the second term 2x plus a is remaining. Okay. Over x plus 5 raised to the power of 4. So this is equal to, and I can cancel this and this will be 3. So it is 2 and 2x plus a whole square, and I can open the brackets. So it is 3x plus 15 and minus 2x minus a over x plus 5 raised to the power of 3. Therefore, f prime of x is equal to 2 times 2x plus a whole square, and 3x minus 2x is x, and plus 15 minus a over x plus 5 raised to the power of 3. So this is the answer for the part A. Okay. Coming to part B, when x equal to 1, the tangent to the graph of f makes an angle of 70 degrees to the horizontal. So part B is saying find the two possible values of A. Okay, when x equal to 1, the tangent is making an angle of 70 degrees. So what is the gradient of the tangent? It is tan 70 degrees. Okay, and what will be the gradient? It will be f prime of 1. Okay, so B gradient of the tangent is equal to tan 70 degrees is equal to f prime of 1. This is what you have to realize. After you get this equation, every other thing is easy. Okay. So what is f prime of 1? F prime of 1 is equal to, I'll be just substituting 1 in place of x. So it is 2 times 1 is 2 plus a. So 2 plus a whole square, and this is 1 plus 15 is 16. So 16 minus a over 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 cube. Okay. So therefore, 2 times 2 plus a whole square and 16 minus a over 6 cube should be equal to tan 70 degrees. And we have to get the value of a. We are seeing this is a cubic expression, but they are asking for two values, two possible values of a. Most probably one of the values will be negative because they are saying a should be a positive real number. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll be graphing this. So what do I do? I'm doing a minor modification, rather simplification. I'm doing not much. I'm keeping this as it is. I'm not expanding. And I'm writing this as 6 cube times tan 70 degrees over 2. Okay. And I'll be graphing this and this separately. There will be two graphs and I'll be reading the coordinates of the points of intersection. But I have to set the window settings. I have to get what will be the maximum y value, minimum y value. I have to know those. So what I will be doing first of all is I will be getting the value of this part. Okay, just for the window settings. 6 cube, it is 216. You don't have to know the value of 6 cube. You can directly feed this in the calculator. And 6 cube times tan 70 degrees. So tan 70 degrees. You put this degree sign because it is better. Sometimes students do not remember to change the radians to degrees. So whenever you are dealing with some degrees, you put the small circle to represent the angle, that the angle is in degrees. So even if the angle setting is in radians, this will be read as 70 degrees. Okay. So you do that and divide it by 2. Enter. Control enter. 296.7. So it is near about 300. Okay. So maximum y value I can take as maybe 350 and the minimum maybe 250. Okay. That is why I wanted to know this value before drawing the graph, because what will I be taking as the maximum and minimum values for x and y? This is giving me the y values, not the x values, but the maximum x value. But anyway, let us first draw the graph now. It is 2 plus, in place of a, I'm writing x whole square times 16 minus x. Okay. Enter. It is a cubic graph, but right now I'm seeing just a parabola type of a thing. Okay, but I'm changing the window settings. I have to change the window settings. So, look, okay, let me draw the other part also. For that, I come over here and I just do Control C. Okay. And then Tab and Control V. Fine. And now I'll be using the window settings option, option 4, window zoom, and then window settings, option 1. And I'm keeping the X min and X max as it is, or or should I be changing this? I do not need the negative side, so I can change the positive side. X max, I can take this to 30. And this one I'm keeping it as y min as 250 and y max as 350. Okay. Now you can see the both the graphs, the straight line, horizontal line, and the cubic graph. Okay. And you are seeing the 3 points of intersection. Obviously, I'll not be taking the leftmost intersection point because that will be giving me the x value as a negative number, which I do not need. So, analyze graph and intersection, and I'll be taking these two. And this one. Okay. So, one of them will be 2.73, correct to three significant figures, and another will be, this is 14.96, so it will be 15.0, correct to three significant figures. Okay. First is 2.73. Okay. So, therefore, using GDC graphs, A is equal to 2.73, correct to three significant figures, or A is equal to 15.0, correct to three significant figures. Okay. So, we have completed solving this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share my video in case you have liked my explanation, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be really helping me a lot. We meet again very soon when we'll be solving question 6 of the same paper. Till then, bye.